Hello everyone, so I finally want to do a review on this candy. It's the Popin Cooking Sushi. So cute and so fun. DIY candy for kids. I'm not a kid, but it's always fun to do these things. So it comes with like your fake egg candy, fake tuna candy, and the salmon roe, which is like caviar. And that's gonna be fun to make. You could probably make a boba pearls like that with that method. So I'm really very interested in this. It's made in Japan. Let's read the nutrition facts. Serving size 1 ounce, so just one box of this. Calories 110. Sodium 45 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 27 grams. Total sugars 18 grams. So it has 18 grams of sugar, but then it also has 18 added grams of sugar. The source of calcium for 14%. It's not really nutritious. It's not really nutritious. It's just a type of fun treats. No bake and just add the water. So I don't have the material set up. Like I don't have the water set up, but I will move in and move out of like the camera view while I do this. So let's get this open. So it comes inside a bag. I'm guessing this feels like it could be. Hold on. Yeah, it's empty. So I'm guessing this is everything, this box. So yeah, it has all of that stuff. Let's open it carefully. Oh, it requires me to open with scissors. Well, I don't really have scissors working right now. I'll just open it like this, as it is. All right. So I can see right now. There's like a bowl over here, like a bento box, kind of. It really looks cool so far. All right. Let's see this. I'm trying to open this very carefully because I don't have scissors. This would have been easier with scissors. But okay. Anyways, got this open. It says adult supervision and assistance required. Well, I am an adult, so make sure to follow the recipe. Images are for illustration purposes only. Okay. Alright. I'm just making sure here. Do not heat, okay? Serve food immediately after making this kit. Cut in small amounts when eating. Save this package for future reference. Alright. Well, it even tells you it has instructions in the back, so I did not realize that. And there's also like in the box, there's like a QR translator. So this is in English. If you're speaking a different language like French, Spanish, Portuguese, you can just scan it with your phone. You can translate for your needs. Alright, let's just get this. Alright. So we got over here, we got the rice candy powder. That'll be for our rice, our candy rice. And we have, this is the candy powder for the salmon caviar. This is also for salmon caviar. I'm guessing it's two different colors, one green, one orange. This is for the candy egg. This is for the tuna alternative, but in candy form. This is soy sauce candy. Awesome. This is awesome. And I've always seen this on YouTube videos, people doing this. I've always wanted to do it. I always saw it. Thankfully I got it. So this is a spoon. I'm guessing it's just to, let me see. I want to make sure make sure before I do this. Okay, so first we're gonna make some rice, and that's fill the oval depression one with water, then add powder from the blue packet. All right, stir until thick. I cooked rice. All right, so I'm gonna go get some water. I can just go grab some water in the fridge. I get some water. I don't know if it has to be room temperature water. This is chilled. I'm not sure. But we're gonna add some water to our. So, how much water do we add? Okay, so only this. There's like a. So like inside this bowl, there's an oval shaped, like crater. And you only fill water up to that point. So let's be careful here. But that makes sense. You're making rice. Alright, so do we add everything from the... I guess we use everything from this. So where's the kind of scissors? I don't want to just go find scissors and make this video long, you know. There must be a easier ways to open this. It also has the different translations over here for rice, arroz, in Japanese. I'm guessing Ukrainian or Russian here. Where can I open this? I think there's an opening over here. I mean, let me see if I can find scissors real quick. Alright, I'm back. So I found some scissors. Some old scissors, but they'll have to do now. Cuts well, so that's good. And I'm guessing we use this spoon to thicken this rice candy. And I'm guessing we just fill the oval shape, because there's a lot inside this packet. Because what we're trying to make here is the rice. Because we can make multiple sushi candy, so we don't really have to use all of it. We just need to make one for now. I plan on probably just trying one sushi candy here, like either the salmon roe, the tuna, or the omelet. Thankfully, this is not a real egg, it's candy, so I can actually eat the omelet candy. I'll speed up this video when it has thickened fully. Hello everyone, so I'm back. I've successfully thickened the rice, but it looks a bit small, but it's good for now. Okay, so spread out the black candy to match shape and size of the packing pouch. Make dried seaweed. I'm guessing, oh I get it, it's, you can spread it out, I'm guessing. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up because it's very thin now. I don't know if I'm doing this right. We make it our own version, I guess. let's just make this. Alright, it's just falling apart now. Damn it. So it's very messy. I don't know if I can get this to work. Oh no. It's so sticky. I don't think there's enough seaweed candy for this. I feel like this is just for one sushi candy. I'm not sure. I probably did this wrong. It's really tasty. I tried some of the excess. This was rice candy. It tastes like a gelatin, like a cotton candy or bubblegum gelatin. It's good on its own, but I really wanted just to make a sushi, but I don't know. It says make dried seaweed, spread out the black candy to match shape and size of the packing pouch, but I feel like one seaweed candy is all you're gonna make, so one sushi. I don't get that. That's weird. I guess that's just your failed attempt. The seaweed candy tastes like grape, while the rice tastes like bubblegum. Really good. So not really failed attempt. You can probably do it better than me. You can get a napkin. Can't find the napkin. Where are the napkins? Right here. Alright, so even though that failed, let's pour in all of the rice into the mixture. That way we can have rice candy for later. And then we can still make our salmon. It's just we can't really do any sushi part, seaweed part. But we tried. We tried. Alright. Let's make the omelet. So this is the omelet candy powder. You can carefully do this. And so I'm going to open the packet. Let's just open the... Okay, add water up to the line. Sign in the spiral section. So that one. Spread and flatten. So let's add the water to all of these. Just so we're prepared and don't have to do it later. Oh no, my cat is... Hold on, technical difficulties. Hey there everyone again. Sorry, my cat was on top of the table. Almost damaged many things on the table. My video could have been a disaster and I had to buy another pack here or something. But everything's okay now. So I'm putting in the omelet candy powder. And let's see where this goes. Alright, I guess that's all of it. No, there's just still more. My cat. You want to go outside? But I'll... You want to go outside, even though it's too cold for them. Alright, I guess I got everything to the mixture, but just gotta make sure. Alright, we got everything. So, looks like also the rice is thickened. good. It's like a jello. Okay, let's just mix the omelets. It's interesting how the cat is on the table again. These silly cats, they want to be a part of the video, they want to be famous. So we got the egg candy mixing here. Looking good so far. It's really interesting how this works. Like, must be some kind of chemical base that creates it to form like this. Let's start also with the tuna. Tuna is the same thing, it's just on the other side. Okay, add water up to the line, one side. Okay, spread and flatten. And even if I do things wrong here, and they don't turn out to be the best candy, you can do it yourselves and tell me if things work out well. Because I would like to see you guys give me ideas and suggestions what I should do better. I feel like I put too much water. There goes one thing I did wrong. The candy still formed, but I feel like I put in too much water. But the candy will eventually soak up the water, so I don't really have any problem. I mean, the candy will be moist rather than the texture I want it to be. But we gotta deal with right now. So it looks good so far. I'll see if I can make you guys see it. Well, so we have our rice, we have the tuna, and the omelet candy. I mean, they looked way too moist. That's all I can say. But this is all an experiment. I really enjoy these candies. Because I really enjoy, like, I've always seen them on the internet. I always wanted to do it. So even if I did wrong or right, it's a learning experience. Alright, so I've been really not following their instructions that well. Make salmon roe. Okay, add water up to lines in A and B. Power. Oh, good. Okay, so we got an open. So the basic premise of this one is we open this candy powder first. This will be, actually open this powder first. See what happens when you don't listen to instructions? You could do things wrong. But anyways, here comes the fun part though. We're gonna make the caviar of the candy. We're gonna make the caviar of the salmon, but candy form. Okay, so we first add water, obviously, and add it up to the water line. That's it. That's it. And we add in A, and then that is to B. Tuna candy powder, the other one. Oh, right here. Okay, there we go. Alright. Everything went in. Oh! Don't sometimes not good to like sniff any of these powders, because even though it could be candy, it might be something else. Alright, okay. That Well, so that is our mixture for A. Now we get B. Put that in. Add powder from the green packet to section A. Add powder from to section B. Okay. So we get our B powder. Ooh, that looks interesting. Alright, and this is where the fun part comes in. Oh, right here. We gotta mix it. That's important. Gotta thicken it up. Looks like I need a little bit more water. So the solution for A, I'm believing it's some sort of alginate. It'll make the well, I think it's some type of sodium. The in B solution is like alginate. So when you grab the dropper solution and put it on A, it will form a chemical reaction that causes pearls to form. Alright, as well. Be careful not to mix liquids together. Okay, I believe that's good enough. So we're gonna grab some liquids from the dropper. So we got the liquid from the dropper and just carefully drip, drip, drip. It's creating pearls, like spherical balls. That's interesting. I feel like you're making a lot of pearls here. Making a lot of salmon roe. This is fun. Oops, I accidentally did it too fast. There's some clumps. Oh well. It's not all of them, it's just some of them are clumped, but it's okay. Slowly. We can make as many as we want. I want to make a lot because use all of the solution from B. I want to use all of it. I mean, this is gonna take a while, so I will cut this video again and see when this is all done. Hi everyone, I'm sorry for all the cut takes I'm doing. I just want to make things much easier and much faster. And so I've done already the salmon roe, the fake salmon caviar, and I've also done the fake candy soy sauce. And here's what it looks like. Hold on, let me change view, and that's what it looks like. I have a big mess up here, but yes, so we got the fake caviar, we got the tuna, we got the omelet, we got the rice, we got the soy sauce, and for over there in section B, there was just leftover liquid that I don't really need. But things are looking good, and so basically what you could do is get some of that tuna and put it on the rice. If you had the seaweed still, you could make a proper sushi roll. But as I have failed with that sushi roll, because I feel like that one piece of seaweed was not enough. It says right here, make dried seaweed. Spread out the black candy, but when I spread out the black candy, it was just getting smaller. So if anyone can make this better than me, then you're a legend. But let me try the candy. Let me get like a spoon or something. Alright, so we got here a spoon. we're just gonna try some candy. So we're gonna try the tuna candy. Looks like I put too much water for the tuna candy, but it still became like a jello type of thing. Really interesting. It looks like tuna. Has like a flavored, like a strawberry flavor, but it's like jello. It's way too moist because the illustration shows it as not really jello but candy. So maybe next time less water and just add in the mixture until you see the thickness. If not, add more water, add more powder, and experiment. But it still tastes good. Now let's try the omelet candy. Ooh, I can't wait. This one looks much thicker than the tuna. No, I don't really know what the flavor it is. I think pineapple. As I put too much water, so that flavor is barely there. Still good. Get a piece of this rice over here. Oh, it has thickened. It probably takes a while. But damn, that bubblegum flavor is so powerful. Let me see if I can grab some of this soy sauce candy and put it on the rice. This is crazy. Alright, I'm gonna grab some of this now. The rice candy with the candy soy sauce. Wait a minute. The candy soy sauce is like, has that umami flavor that soy sauce has, but it's not soy sauce. I have no idea what it could be. It's very sour though. It has a sort of a vinegar type of flavor. Interesting. Let me see if I can put more. Actually, I think it has a hint of coffee flavor. That's unusual. Let me get the salmon roe. So it kinda became pearls. I'll show it to you guys. I don't know if you think this is looking like pearls or not. Hold on. Where's the camera? Oh, there we go. See, it kind of looks like pearls. I mean, this is my first time doing this candy. It worked, you know. Barely. Yeah, it's definitely like an allergenic because when you bite into it, it bursts into like that juice. So that's really interesting. I like those candies where you can make those pearls. So not really a success, not really a failure. You got to try out the candy. Let me just finish off the rice. It's really good. If rice tasted like bubblegum, imagine that. Oh my gosh. We'd be fat with all the carbs. This candy is carbs too, so it doesn't make the issue any better. Let me see this glob of tuna candy. I have no idea. You know, I know I said strawberry, but you know what? I have no idea what flavor it is. It's bland. But it's not just because of the water. I feel like the tuna candy is just bland on its own. That is weird. I feel like I had to like make a thin layer of water and then add in all the powder. And I feel like that's where everything went wrong. But I really like the omelet candy. That is definitely pineapple. Definitely pineapple. Alright, and the soy sauce. It's sour. Now it's sour. It has a sweet, sour flavor. Let me see if I mix this right. Maybe I have to mix it good. Yeah, I have no idea. It's sour. Has that sweetness. I thought I tasted like a coffee or something. It's weird. Yeah, it's just like sugar, I guess. A sour sugar. Let me just taste the pearls on its own now. Alright. I'm just gonna say this. The pearls, I feel like the only thing went right were the pearls. The only things that went right were the pearls. Yeah, it tasted awesome. It's juicy, sweet, has a bit of sourness. Wow. I actually like it. I could get used to this. Now I'm curious. I'm gonna grab some of the soy sauce liquid into this solution. Will it create pearls? Let's see. And no, it doesn't. Worth a try. Yeah, it's just like a sour candy flavor. I don't know, just bland. But it's just a normal, neutral sour candy flavor, the soy sauce candy. But damn, I'm enjoying the pearls. Who doesn't love pearls? Anyone like boba out there? I love boba too. I drink that. But I think the most fun part was the pearls. They're looking perfect. Spheres. Damn. Wow. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this review. It probably did not make this as it didn't make all this what I expected. I mean, it did make the salmon roe. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the egg and tuna to work, and the seaweed. I guess you guys can try it if you find this at a candy store. Be sure to try it if you like what you see here. Oh, so it's grape and soda flavor. Why do I taste bubblegum then? Maybe Japanese people think bubblegum is just immediately soda flavor. Alright. Produced by Crazy Foods Limited, Tokyo, Japan. Hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah, so it comes with a tray, spoon, dropper, candy, 6 packets. I mean, this was a bit expensive for me. I don't know if it'll be expensive for you guys, but I really enjoyed making this review. I have to splice everything into one video now, but that would be fun, right? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully we'll make another video in the future.